A nonprofit is expanding its locations and services to our community. Origami Rehabilitation serves children and adults with neurological, developmental, orthopedic, and mental health conditions. Amanda Carr, the Director of Rehabilitation, now joins us on Mid-Michigan Matters today. Amanda, the nonprofit Origami Rehabilitation has expanded to its third location called Origami Green Lawn. Can you explain how Origami Green Lawn has different services and who in the community it serves?
Absolutely. Like you said, it is our third location here in Lansing. We're really excited. We have physical, occupational, speech, and mental health services available for children and adults. Like you said, neurological, orthopedic, developmental, and mental health services are all available.
That's great to see all the different services that Origami Rehabilitation is expanding to and again serving our community. Now, Origami Green Lawn is part of the nonprofit charities or Child of Family Charities nonprofit hub, and so this is also becoming more commonly known as Corridor of Care. Can you explain how this is breaking down the barriers of access to care in our community?
Absolutely. It's really a genius idea, being able to bring a long list of nonprofits all together under one roof so we can, like you said, break down those barriers, increase access so individuals can come from the community to one location to get the services, the education, the resources that they all need. It's right on the bus line, so it's conveniently located, and it's just great to be able to be a service provider and have so many resources at your hand, and those that are all very commonly driven in the mission that we're all doing.
It's great that the expansion of locations and even Origami Green Lawn alone is that one-stop shop to get those services for anyone in the community who may be in need of them. Now, it's not just those services, but there are even specialty services that Origami Rehabilitation as a whole helps the community out with. Can you just name a few key of those?
Absolutely. We have a long list of specialty services at Green Lawn specifically. Some of those include pelvic health for pediatric populations, so those that are struggling with incontinence, constipation, just bedwetting, pain. Also, we have the mental health services where they're especially trained in trauma focus, and so they have EMDR training, brain spotting available, and then also pediatric feeding. So for the children that are struggling with maybe oral motor difficulties, sensory aversions, or just really picky eaters, those are all services that can really help.
I feel like you don't typically hear of those services. They're not as common, so I'm really glad that you brought those up and how Origami and Origami Green Lawn now is really helping to gear those efforts toward the community who might be in need again. For those who want to check out Origami Green Lawn, if they want to visit, get a tour, understand more about what it's all about, what can they do to learn more?
Absolutely. You can go to our website, origamirehab.org, to learn more. Give us a call. Like you said, stop by for a tour. We have 3 locations here in Lansing. We'd love to hear and just reach out to the community more.
Sounds great. Amanda, thank you so much for sharing and joining us on Mid-Michigan Matters.
Thank you.
Time now.